Those are the under cabinet lights. Here's the under cabinet unit that I installed. As you can see, it does a nice job of lighting up the work surface. Well, I'm getting ready to install an under cabinet light. So the first thing I need to do is figure out which circuit that I'm going to be working on so I can disconnect that circuit from the power. I noticed that in the box right there, the electrical box in the wall, where the dishwasher switch is located, I noticed that that's right where I want to put the light. So I suspect that this circuit number 18, the dishwasher, is the one that I want to turn off. Now what I need to do, this one right here, you can see I've turned it off. And all right, so next what I need to do is test it with a night light, make sure that it actually is off, because I don't know for sure where all the wires in the wall run. And yeah, the wiring may be mislabeled, so it's an old house and you need to kind of check things. So I pulled it out of the wall already, so be careful not to touch anything. Plug it in, and I noticed it didn't come on. Okay, so it's turned off. It is not mislabeled. All right, I'll put this night light. Okay, so here are some of the tools that I need. I need a drill bit to drill into this section of the cabinet, and need a square. Make sure I'm drilling the right place. And I need a drill to drive the drill bit, and I need some special tools called snaking wires to snake up through the box, through the wall, and out here, so I can pull the wire down through the wall into the box that is going to feed the light fixture. You know, whenever I punch out one of these holes on the end to run the wire in. All right.